Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely start to your 2019. I have had a couple of weeks off, which I don't normally do, but I thought I'd give myself a little bit of a break. I've been doing some sales shopping. You guys know I can't resist a good sale, so I thought that I would share with you everything that I got. I did get quite a few summer bits, so I won't bother showing you that stuff because I'm going on holiday next month, but I thought that I'd share with you the things that are seasonally appropriate. And oh, before we get into this video, I was checking my YouTube analytics the other day, right, and it turns out only 28% of the people who watch my videos are actually subscribed to my channel. So if you're watching this and you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell and all that if you want to be notified of when I upload. And yeah, let's get straight into this. So I've got some stuff from Topshop, Zara and AllFit. I'm going to start with the Zara stuff. First off, I picked up this gorgeous champagne gold shirt. I love this so much. I like how it's slightly longer at the back than it is at the front, and I just love the shine. I love the pocket. This was $39.99 reduced to $25.99. I did get this in a medium, and I usually go for extra small or small, but I like the oversized look. I would literally wear this during the day, on a nighttime. You guys know I like my versatile outfits. So I did buy all of this stuff last week, but I'm not sure about its online availability. So I will link everything that I can find online in the description box. Hopefully I can find it all. But if I can't, I will just link alternatives for you guys that are really similar. Next up, I've been getting into dresses lately. I'm usually not a massive fan, but ever since I got that black polka dot one from Topshop, I've been like really into them. So I saw this, and like I said, it's not my usual style, but I just really like how it looks on. I love the khaki with the black leopard print. I love the elasticated waist. It just like really pulls you in, and I think the buttons up the side are really cute. I just really like the detail, and I love the elasticated sleeves as well, and it just hangs really nicely. And this was $25.99. Oh, I don't know what that was reduced from. I think it was $39.99 again. The little stickers covering it. But I got this in a small. I did try it on in an extra small, which is my usual size, but it was just a little bit too tight. Don't know if that's just because it was after New Year, and I have been indulging, but I got myself the slightly bigger size just to be on the safe side with this one. Lastly, from Zara for $29.99, reduced from $39.99, I just got this simple everyday black jumper. I do like a high neck jumper during winter time, and this is from their minimal collection, and it's just a staple, isn't it? I really like Zara for staples. I think they're really great quality. They do really nice cuts, and I like that while this is just a really simple black ribbed everyday top, it does have a seam down the middle. Don't know if you can see that, but it just adds a little bit of something to it, which I like. Guys, I'm just including this clip here because I forgot to mention this jumper. I got this from Zara as well. It was $29.99 reduced from $39.99, and I love it. Absolutely love this. It's so comfy, so cozy. It's not like itchy or anything, and oh, how cute is it? Next up, I went into Topshop. The first item that I got was not reduced, but I just needed it. It's a staple in my collection. If you watch me for a while, you'll know that I always wear the Topshop Jamie jeans in petite. They just fit me perfectly. I love Topshop's petite jeans. They're great, and these are just a really nice fit, and I wanted another black pair in a waist 26 because I usually go for a waist 25, and I definitely indulged a little bit too much over Christmas, and I just wanted a pair that was a bit more comfy, to be honest. So I went an inch up in the waist. I actually do usually wear a waist 26 in their blue jeans. This is the only thing I'll say about Topshop's Jamie jeans. I find that with the different colours, the sizing tends to be slightly different. So I would definitely try them on if you're after like a different colour and you've tried them before. I wear these jeans all the time. Like I said, they're a staple in my wardrobe. I wouldn't be without them. These are £40. Next, from Topshop, I could have worn this today, to be honest. This was reduced to £9 from £25, which is alright, and I just think it's quite cute. I like it. What's there to say about it, really? I just think it's a type of necklace that will go with anything. I quite like wearing simple outfits and then dressing them up with my jewellery, so I think this would be perfect for that. So I passed their little jewellery section right by the checkout, and I saw these as well. So these were £7.50, which I think is great. It is their Freedom Finer collection, and they're just these little slim silver hoops with a little knot in the middle, which I think is such a nice detail. As you guys know, I used to wear my BCRs all the time and I took them out, and I've been wanting to wear silver jewellery again, and I just kind of feel like I have more gold jewellery than silver, like for my ears, because I never used to change my silver jewellery. It was just the same ones in all the time that I got them pierced with. So I didn't really fancy the BCR vibe again, but I fancied these because they are really, really cute and delicate. They're the kind of earrings that would just go with anything, so I thought I'd pick those up as well. Next up from AllFit, I got such a cute dress. So it's this dress, which is silk, and it comes with this jumper that goes over the top, and they look so nice together, but obviously you could just wear the dress on its own. These were £156 originally. I got them for £77, which is an absolute bargain. I got this in extra small. I will say I had to go through a couple because a lot of them, they were hanging up on hangers that are too big for them, and the hangers had come through the shoulders on the jumper, which is really, really bad, to be fair. For the amount that these cost, All Saints should really be putting them on hangers that fit, but I think they just have standard hangers. I quite often find that with All Saints, their hangers are too big for their clothes and it ruins the clothes. But this is such a me outfit. You guys know me, like I would literally wear this during the day, on a nighttime. Like I could wear it for any occasion, and I just love outfits like that, and I love the silk. It feels so nice, and I wore this the other night on a date. It was like chilled drinks, and I just wore it with black leather heeled boots and a leather jacket, and I just think it's a really nice vibe. I'd obviously wear the dress by itself when it's a bit warmer, and I'd also wear this with trainers as well. I think that could look really cool. So like I said, I also got a load of summer stuff, but I won't bother showing you that because you're probably not interested in it. But guys, I would love it if you'd let me know if you have any video suggestions for me for 2019. I'm open to your ideas. I'm planning me vids at the minute, so I'd be really grateful if you did that. And be sure to give the video a cheeky little thumbs up if you enjoyed it as usual, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!